Okay, I'm in the final line now. This line in front of me actually splits into three, and then we get pre-screened right over here by the National Guard at these tents. There's three lines there, three guys pre-screening. Gonna ask my name, address, and if I have any symptoms. Masks are required by everybody in this area, passengers, screeners. And then I'm going to drive up to there to get the actual test. There's three tents up ahead where the actual testing is going on. So I'm in the final line. I'm only about maybe 15-20 minutes away from getting screened, and then a few more minutes to get tested. So the process of getting everybody organized here is pretty efficient. The lines are pretty efficient. They're moving pretty swiftly. Again, they do have 1,200 tests here per day, so we're easily going to get in under that threshold. And hopefully everybody else who needs a test will also. All right, we'll see you up at the testing tent in a few minutes.